Hello everybody, my name is DURAIRAJA and I'm going to teach you guys on how to do linear programming for question in quiz 1, question 2. Let's go. So, so this is question 2. So the question reads as a painter has exactly 32 units of yellow dye and 54 units of green dye. He plans to mix as many gallons as possible of color A and color B. Each gallon of color A requires 4 units of yellow dye and 1 unit of green dye. So each gallon of color B requires 1 unit of yellow dye and 6 units of green dye. So the question asks find the maximum number of gallons he can mix. So first we do this table, and next I'll show you on how to do it via writing. So referring to the case study above, first we draw a table variable yellow dye, green dye. Okay, so x1 for me will be color A, x2 will be color B, and this will be total. So 4 to 1, 1 to 6, so total will be 32 and 54. Okay, the first step is to identify the variables, so which is x1 will be equivalent to color A and x2 will be equivalent to color B. Okay, so the B will be objective function. From the question we know that z will equals to x1 plus x2. Okay, so C will be getting the constraints. So the first constraint will be z equals to x1 plus x2. The second one will be 4x1 plus x2 more equals to 32, and then x1 plus 6x2, I mean less than equal to 54, where x1 and x2 equals to 0. Okay, so for D you will be plotting the graph. So we'll be drawing the x and y axis. So this will become x1 and x2. So with the formula inside the constraints, we will substitute x1, x2 0. So we will get the plotting point, which is 9, 32, 8, and 54. So this is for the constraint 4x1 plus x2 equals to 32, while this will be for x1 plus 6x2 is to 54. So this is the shaded area. Okay, so next we must find the value of x1 and x2. So 4x1 plus 24x2 equals to 216. So we times by 4 for both of it, so the x will become 4, x1 will become 4. and x2 equals to 32. AC times by 4 for this, so it will become 4 and 4. So once we minus, we will get 23x2 equals to 184, where x2 will be equals to 8. So once we substitute again, so 4x1 plus 8 equals to 32. So x1 equals to 6. So x equals to 8 plus 6, which will be equals to 14 gallons. So that will be the answer.